Hey guys, Justin here coming at you with another unboxing video. Continuing with the theme of trying something new. This is definitely something new. This is going to be another rosin press kit. This one's from Lowtemp-plates. And this is a bad boy. This is a bad boy. They claim that this is the last press that you will ever need to buy. Because it's that durable and that strong. Let's crack this sucker open and see what we got. As you can see, we got a couple of boxes here. And oh, it's another box. It's like Amazon. A box in a box. Oh man, okay. We're just gonna leave it in there. And we'll just open it like this. This didn't come from Amazon, but it's definitely packed like it. Oh man. Look at that. I gotta take the camera off of here. That is awesome. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. So we got the V2 pump kit. Whew, man. Let's get this all out of the box here. And there we go. Out of the box. Damn. Look at that thing. Man, that is super nice. Alright, so let's take a look, see what we got. All the wrapping here. Oh man, that is sick. Wow. That is a beast. Holy crap. This thing weighs a ton. Oh shit. Holy crap. So this is the main press housing, and then we'll have the pump and everything here that'll go underneath here to press it up and squish, and then we also have the controller to go into the plates. This is a bad machine right here. Wow. So let's get the big box over here and we'll get into that, see what's inside there. Alright, now we're ready to get into the big box here. This back side. More packing. Oh yeah, more good stuff. Alright, so here's a box. Ooh, got a little bit squishy. Let's see what's inside here. Hate to cut that sticker. It's a nice sticker. Let's see what we got. Alright, so here's the controller. Power cord. Then we got a dual sensor controller here, so you can control everything from the box. Got your two outputs out to the plates, and then the user's manual in the bottom there. Super nice. Nothing was damaged. The box got a little smashed, but you can see nothing was damaged. Everything's good. Even these little metal things on the end here aren't bent. Like, yeah, everything looks great. And we got another box down this way. Let's see what this is. Oh, this one's hella heavy. This is probably going to be the cylinder, I believe, here. Yep. Man, that is heavy as hell. It's crazy when you touch something like this that's so small and it's so incredibly heavy. It's just kind of mind-blowing. So that's gonna sit down here under our plate, like so. Well, probably that off to the side, but yeah, you get the idea. We got our operating manual, max operating pressure, 10,000 psi. Showed you how to hook it all up. We'll get into that when I go to hook it up. And what else we got in here? Ah, party pack. I love party packs. Oh yeah. Is this? Okay, good. It's not sealed. I don't have to rip it. I love party packs. So we got a low temp phone sticky back holder thing. Oh, it looks like a hat pin in here. I love hat pins. What else we got? We got sticker. Got the low temp user manual. Got some stickers. And we do have... Oh, they're not hat pins. They're magnets. Genius. Genius. They're magnets to hold your parchment paper back. Oh, man. Hell yeah. Killing the game. There's a sticker like what I didn't want to cut. Oh, well, this is cool. Gives you approximate what to press at what temperature. Kind of cool. Info there. Stickers. Another sticker. Got the skull. And then we got the whole pump assembly here, which is just huge. But crazy enough, this big pump is lighter than the cylinder head that it goes to. So there's our pump. Let me get baby katana out for this maybe. See if I can cut through all this. There we go. Don't want to cut the hose, of course. And then there is our pressure gauge, so that we know how many psi we're pushing. I believe that said 10,000 max, which is going to be right there, a little over halfway on the gauge. This is heavy duty, man. Like this part right here weighs a lot. This part right here weighs almost as much as the pump does. Like heavy stuff. And then the cylinder weighs just an incredible amount. So this is going to hook right up to there. And then there's your pump assembly. And then you just manually pump this up and down. I think it's got the pin lock in it right now. But you manually just pump that up and down, and that's going to push your cylinder up and do your squish. And this is going to be able to generate up to 10,000 psi, which is, I believe, up to about 20,000 pounds, or excuse me, 20 tons, 40,000 pounds. Give you a look at the manual here that they sent. V2 manual, it's pretty nice. Got some warning info. Pretty nice little brochure, actually. Tells about the assembly, and the hookup, hanging the heat elements. More info online, of course. We got some accessories here, Allen wrenches, some bolts. That's pretty much it. I'm super excited about this one. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I'm just kicking myself right now. Like, now that I'm getting rosin presses and starting to use them, I'm literally just kicking myself that I didn't do it sooner. And I can't stress enough to get on this train as soon as you can, because it's so nice to be able to make your own dabs from your own flour, and it's just amazing. It really is. So yeah, let's get it hooked up. Alright guys, I've got it all hooked up, and this thing is a beast. Certified beast. Unbelievable. I'm so hyped on this thing right now. This is a certified piece of squishing hardware, no doubt. This thing's nuts. So it was super easy to put together. That's one good thing, because the main part is already together. This actually has some magnet on the back so that you can stick it to different portions on the unit. I figured there was a good spot. The only real assembly is putting the elements into the plates themselves from the side here, as you can see. And then you have to screw in the little ground wires as well, and make sure that the little ground loop is around the ground attachment there when you screw it in. Make sure it's nice and snug before you start pressing. And yeah, from there you just hook up the pump to the back, which is super easy to do as well. It just screws right in, and then you're good to go. Plug it in, turn it on. You got a on-off power button for master power on the side. Super easy to use as well as far as the controls go. You got your says stop, go, menu, select, and then a knob. You can select your different temperatures here. There's your target temperature, your actual temperature currently, and then yeah, you can heat them indirectly, excuse me, not indirectly, independently of each other if you'd like, or you can just do the same. Either way, pretty cool though. And then to stop, you just hit stop, and it's super simple to use. It was really easy to plug in. Everything went in super easy, and yeah, this thing is legit. It is legit. As far as pressing goes, it's very, very easy to use. You just put your material into here, make sure that your stop valve is closed, and then you just start pumping. And the pump is really quiet. It doesn't make hardly any noise at all, and it just squishes. You can keep going. You can see the valve going up, and like I said, you can take it all the way to about 10,000 psi, but you don't need to do that, especially for like keef and hash and stuff like that. You don't need to squish it that hard. That's more for flour and really just quantities of flour. Like if you're going to try and squish like 7 or 14 grams or something like that at once, then you would want to use the higher press. Or if you're squishing the chips, I do that too. Re-squish some of the chips. That would be a good thing to use that for also. But then to release it, it's also really easy. You just turn the release valve, and the springs lower it back down for you so that you don't have to press it. And this thing's legit. This thing is absolutely 100% legit. Make sure also, I mentioned that this thing might go out the side. It only goes out the front or the back. If you try and put it out the side, it sits a little wonky, and I'm sure it'll break if you try and do it that way. So make sure you do front and back only. As far as squishing some actual flour or keef or anything, I can't really do that on this channel because I got to try and keep this channel fairly G-rated. But on the second channel, my over 18 channel, adults only channel, that one, link below, you can check it out over there. And I'll be doing squish videos and flow videos and all kinds of stuff over there. So you're going to see this thing in action a ton over there. Click the link below. We've got discount code down there. Check out their whole lineup. You can get just the jack, or the cage by itself with the plates, and get your own bottle jack. You can get the pump. You can get a smaller pump. You can get an electric pump. You can get a foot pump that hooks up to a compressor. There's so many different options that you can buy this in to fit what you need. This is also the 3x5 plate kit. There is also I believe it's a 4x7. I opted for the 3x5. I'm not going to be squishing huge amounts. I'm just doing personal. I'm not a producer or anything like that, although I definitely could be now with this thing. This thing is incredible, and there's lots of companies out there that are using this exact same press to make some of the highest grade concentrates that you've ever had in your whole life. So this thing's legit, guys. click the link below, use the discount code, save some money. Hope you like the unboxing and update. Until next time, happy growing.